Today we are here for a session of English conversation with Ayan Kumar Sao. So Ayan, could you please introduce yourself?
Yes, sir. Good morning, afternoon, and good evening to all of you. Thank you for giving me opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Ayan Sao. I am 17 and I am from Gamaria, Jamshedpur. As far as my qualification is concerned, that I have passed matric and now I am preparing for intermediate. As far as my family background is concerned, that there are 4 members in my family. I have one elder sister. My father is shopkeeper and my mom is homemaker. My hobbies are to play cricket and play online games. And as far as my qualification is concerned, that I have passed matric and now I am preparing for intermediate. I have said 2 times.
Okay, yeah, good. So as you told that you have passed your matriculation, right?
Yeah.
So my question is for you that do you think the English speaking in English is too much important as the as foreign countries? They are preferring, or the guys of foreign countries, they are speaking in English. So do you really think being an Indian, so we should also learn English as they are doing right now?
Yeah, obviously, because now we are in 21st century and today the importance of English is very high. Either you are in India, either you are in foreign. So English is must to talk, to interact with other people. English is must. Nowadays, to getting job is really rush. If you will go anywhere, you have to know English first. Then you can get the chance, or you can get the highest chance to get the job. So nowadays, I think English is must in anywhere.
Okay. So you are from Hindi background, I think, right?
Yes.
Jackboard Hindi background.
Yeah, I am.
So being a Hindi background student, how did you manage to learn English or speak in English?
Yeah, the people think that it's really tough, but according to me, it is not tough if you will practice daily and you will focus on that to speak in English. If you will think about that, that I have to speak in English, and you will obviously think all time in your mind what thought you are coming in your mind, that should be in English, and you should have to follow yourself also, that how you are preparing, how you are practicing. Now if I consider about myself, I am from Jackboard and it's totally Hindi medium. And within 1 or 1.5 hour, I am speaking English from 1 hour, from 1 year, and it's you can say due to the practice. All times I want to practice in front of mirror, you can say, or which thought comes my mind is all times maybe it's in English. That's why I think I learned English, how to speak.
That's right. Okay. So because you and me both of us are from Hindi background, right?
Yes.
So which kind of advices you would like to give to the people who always say that if I am not from English background, so learning in English or speaking in English is too tough for us? Which kind of advice you want to give them?
Yes, if the people are saying that it's rough, that it's their mindset. So it's a wrong mindset, or it's a myth, you can say, because in Hindi medium also there is subject of English, and also the English teacher teach you the English. So why can't you speak in English properly? You can also nowadays we can see from YouTube, from COVID is you can say COVID is the very good chance to grab. Because during COVID, I have learned how to speak English. Due to sir, he gave us 2 opportunity to speak English properly, with conversation, with YouTube videos, and take the session. In more way, he gave us to speak English chance. So it's totally wrong that if you are from Hindi medium, you can't speak English. You can, and you will. Thank you.
One last question.
Yes, sir.
Do you think the age matters to learn English?
No, I don't matter, because nowadays you can see the international cricketers child, you can see in YouTube. There are many childs from their parents teach them from childhood, and the age of 3 or 4 they can speak fluent English. How the means the age person can't speak. So age really doesn't matter in the case of English or in the case of any work. So age doesn't matter. Thank you.
Okay, fantastic answers, whatever you gave.
Thank you,
Okay. So today we are here in any dam. I think I don't know about this dam properly. So Ayan, could you please speak something about this dam? Just explain it.
Yeah, obviously it's a beautiful dam, you can say, because now it's 2nd January we are here come here, and also the most huge populations are surrounding us.
Yeah.
and all people are enjoying. We can say here, obviously you can't, but we can say, see from here, and people are enjoying by having food. By some people are having wine also, but we are here practicing. Means we are doing conversation, you can say, and we are doing something different here. People are watching very differently from they are watching from there, but we are speaking. So yeah, if we come the place, our place, it's very good. In all places there are only water and the stones, and the birds are flying surrounding us. Yeah, it's very nice area.
Okay, so which kind of messages you would like to give to them about these places? Because most of the guys whoever is watching us, they are just thinking like we are doing this kind of things after having getting what I'm saying, after having wines or something like that. So which kind of messages you would like to give to them?
To them, if I am giving some message, they can't hear obviously. But
Because
to
we
you,
just show them something.
yeah.
Because show them. I'm saying show them.